This is my first day here in Sabah, Borneo. This is a very nice place, but you could see all the rubbish here in the... And I'm going to some of the islands here in Gaya and Sapi. I'm now here at Sapi Island. Everybody's telling me to come here on Sapi Island, which is the most quiet island in here in Borneo. But still, there's about thousands of people here. This is the world's longest island-to-island zipline. Malaysia is in the equator. I'm having a bushwalk here in the island of Sapi, and I'm really sweating. It was really humid.